Ever opened your spice cabinet and found chaos? Spices everywhere, mismatched jars, missing labels, total mess. Imagine a kitchen where every spice is at your fingertips. Meet the Kamenstein 16-jar Ellington Revolving Spice Rack. Sleek black and chrome, modern, stylish, instantly eye-catching. 16 glass jars, already filled with essential spices. No more hunting for paprika or cumin mid-recipe. Just spin the rack, every spice perfectly organized. Lift and pour caps. Shake or pour, your choice every time. Each jar clearly labeled. No more guessing, ever. Cooking becomes smooth, efficient, and even fun. But wait, here's the twist. Free spice refills for 5 years. Yes, 5 years of fresh spices delivered to your door. That's ongoing flavor, zero extra cost, maximum convenience. Never run out of basil, oregano, or garlic powder again. Perfect for home cooks who love experimenting. Ideal for kitchen organizers who crave tidy countertops. Gift shoppers, imagine the look on their faces. The rack's revolving design saves precious counter space. Professional chefs and beginners both love the easy access. Sturdy construction, built to last through countless meals. Amazon Prime means free 2-day shipping to your door. Order today and start organizing by the weekend. No more last-minute grocery runs for missing spices. The jars are refillable, reusable, and eco-friendly. Lift and pour caps make measuring a breeze. Spices stay fresh, flavors stay bold, meals stay exciting. Black and chrome finish matches any modern kitchen decor, a centerpiece that's as functional as it is beautiful. Great for small kitchens, apartments, or gourmet spaces. Keep your favorite seasonings within arm's reach. No more cluttered drawers or lost jars. Every meal starts with inspiration. Let your spices shine. Gift it for housewarmings, weddings, or holiday surprises. Unbox, place on the counter, and you're ready to cook. Refill program. Register online, choose your spices, done. Enjoy the freshest flavors year after year. Impress guests with your organized professional setup. Rotate, select, sprinkle. Culinary magic in seconds. The ultimate upgrade for any home chef's toolkit. Spices included, ready to use from day one. No assembly required, just open and enjoy. Labels are bold, clear, and easy to read. Jars are glass. No plastic taste, just pure flavor. Caps seal tight, keeping spices fresh and aromatic. Organized by color, cuisine, or personal favorites. Revolving base means no more reaching or searching. Perfect for busy weeknight dinners or elaborate feasts. Amazon's everyday low prices make it an easy choice. Prime members get it even faster, 2 days or less. A must-have for anyone who loves to cook. Upgrade your kitchen, upgrade your flavor game. No more bland meals. Season every dish with ease. The 5-year refill program sets this rack apart. Never worry about stale old spices again. Freshness, convenience, and style all in one package. Snap a photo. It looks as good as it works. Friends will ask, "Where did you get that rack?" Tell them, Amazon with free shipping and refills. Perfect for foodies, organizers, and creative cooks. Reimagine your kitchen one spin at a time. Surprise yourself with new flavors and combinations. A little twist, a lot of convenience. Transform your countertop from cluttered to curated. No more digging through drawers for that lost jar. Everything you need, right where you need it. Ready to revolutionize your spice game? Click order and let Kamenstein do the rest. Elevate your cooking, make every meal extraordinary. Kamenstein 16 Jar Ellington Revolving Spice Rack, only on Amazon. Before it sells out again, hit that link in the description and check it out.